Hey everyone, welcome back to Studio Glitz Makeup Artistry. It's Kanmani here and today I'm super excited to share this stunning brown smoky gold halo eye look with you. This look is all about blending rich warm browns with a pop of golden shimmer to creating that beautiful halo effect that really makes your eyes stand out. So grab your brushes and let's dive into this tutorial. Okay, we will start by priming the eyelids to ensure our eyeshadow stays in place all day and then shades appears vibrant. So I'm using the same foundation what I used in my face is from Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beach, and I applying a small amount across my lids and let it sit for some times and then blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. Sometimes I used foundation to prep my lids because it's a matte foundation and it doesn't crease my eyelid. And then I brighten up my brow bone area with light shimmery shade with the help of flat shaded brush. And for this eye look, I am going to be using a Morphe Volume 1 palette and I pick all the 5 shades mixed for this look according to the intensity. Next, I am taking a neutral brown shade as my base using a fluffy blending brush. This is from ISA Dora Shadow Blender and I bought it in a cosmetic store. I am sweeping this color across the crease, make sure to blend it well. This will be our transition shade to help everything blend seamlessly. And then next, I am going in with a darker brown shade. Focus this color on the outer and the inner corners of my eyes, leaving the center of the lid bare. Using a smaller blending brush to ensure precision and blend the edges into the transition shade for a soft smoky effect. This is from Candice and this is a medium blending brush. And then I'm adding some more black shadow to the inner and outer corner with a pencil brush and blend it with a brown to make more depth, and I'm not spreading the shadow, I'm just dabbing and blend it into the other eyeshadows. And now the star of the show is halo effect. For that, I am applying a rich metallic gold shade to the center of my lid. You can use your finger or a flat brush to this step. I am using flat shaded brush. Before I apply a gold shimmer, I pick a tad bit of glitter glue and apply on the center of my lid, and then I am applying a gold shimmer to avoid any fallouts. Always we want a sticky base to stick shimmer pigments and the color pops. And I pressing the shimmer onto the middle of my lid to make it really pop and blend the edges where the gold meets the brown to avoid any harsh lines. If you want, you can add some more brown to blend, but be careful not to overblend. We want that contrast. This creates the signature smoky effect while keeping the focus on the halo. To sharpen the crease line, I am taking a glitter glue and mix it with some gold shimmer and draw a line sharp with a small flat brush. And then I am finishing off the look with a thin liner on the upper lash line, keeping it subtle to let the halo effect stand out, and applying a few coat of mascara. You can add false lashes for extra drama if you like. And I am applying a kohl to my waterline as well as tight line. For the lower lash line, I am applying the same dark brown shade close to my inner and outer corner of my lower lash line and blending it with the same transition shade as we used earlier, and then applying the gold in the center of my lower lash line to balance the look. This will tie the look together and give that smoky cohesive finish. And then to enhance the halo, I add some glitter liner with a flat brush to the top of the golden shimmer. I love adding glitters to the eye look. If you don't want, you can skip this step. This step is really helps to add a bit of sparkle to this halo eyes. Lastly, I finished the rest of my face and here is the final look. A gorgeous brown and golden halo smoky eye look that's perfect for making a statement. I add a eye look series playlist to the end of the video. If you are not yet watched, please watch and let me know about the video. I hope you guys you're enjoying this tutorial and found the steps easy to follow. If you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Studio Glitz Makeup Artistry. I did love to see your work. I mentioned all my social handles right below the video. Please check it out and follow for more beauty content. If you like the tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.